Hi friends, today I will show you how to clear cache and data in Canva. If you're ready, open the official Canva website and log into your account. Then click on your profile picture located in the bottom left corner. Next, open the settings page. Then click on the Data and Storage tab in the menu on the left. I should warn you that clearing data and cache may not be useful if you also use Canva offline. As you can see, the warning states that if you clear the data, you will not be able to use Canva until you go back online. If these conditions are acceptable to you, click the Delete Data button. Click Delete Data again. Cache and data successfully deleted. I hope this how to clear cache and data in Canva tutorial video was helpful. Please don't forget to subscribe to the Error Slayer YouTube channel and like the video. Have a great day.